You're pontificating. You're an ancient can turn a whistle into a watch. I haven't seen you for time. She's as much a fairy princess as I am. What's the problem? Is that A be filled with stars, but Carcross is not? A house